Check this out. We're at a Japanese bookstore in Seattle, near downtown Seattle. And something different to check out while we're here. We're right here in the International District, aka Chinatown. My kids are into this type of stuff. So I thought, hey, I'm gonna record this and shit. I'm taking video of what's here, huh?
Okay.
Because it's like Pokemon puzzles right here. I don't think they're into Pokemon anymore either.
Audrey and John were into it for a while because you could do it with your phones and catch them.
I don't think they've done that for a while.
I don't know. I haven't asked John lately.
Nano blocks. So the name of this store, I believe, I want to take a shot at that. I want to say it's Kinokuniaya Books. There is a second level as well. Something my oldest might be interested in. She's into knitting. Have a whole bunch of books. Japanese knitting stitches. That's one shelf. Here's another shelf. So yeah, my oldest would love this place, just knowing that that is available.
Do you want to get it?
No.
Tina does quilting. We can get something with quilting for her.
Okay, let's do something like that. One book for Audrey, one book for Tina. So we're getting
That for Audie.
Japanese Knitting Stitch Bible. And then Tina.
Yeah, I'm looking. She's our sewing daughter, remember?
Who can read Japanese in this bookstore? Not me. It's a food. Cooking books. Cooking books in Japanese. This is all cookbooks here. Puzzles. Check this out. $40 pieces. You have to put the picture together. It's a different type of puzzle. And it's made out of wood. Mini puzzle, 240 pieces. For the manga fans out there. And it's Japanese as well. Not all of it. But most of it is, as you can see. Pretty cool. Pretty cool for someone that's not really been exposed to any language besides English. So yeah, someplace different if you're in this downtown Seattle area. I want to call it Kinokuniaya Books here in Seattle.
Did you get the dragon on the pole?
Nope, I will.
Didn't see it before, did you? I didn't either until I was looking around. I was like, oh, there's a dragon on the pole.
Yeah.
And then I got the whole thing with the dragon.